Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some latest crochet ladies handbag designs model. The latest trends in crochet ladies handbags offer a mix of practicality, fashion, and creativity. Here are some tips for creating a stylish crochet handbags. First, experiment with yarn types. Different yarns create different textures and strengths. For example, cotton yarns are durable and perfect for everyday use, while raffia or polyester cords offer a sleek and structured finish. Combining yarns can also create unique patterns and textures, such as using a mix of cotton and metallic threads for a subtle shimmer. Second, incorporate modern elements. Add contemporary touches to your crochet bags by incorporating leather straps, wooden handles, or metal hardware. These elements not only enhance the durability of the bag but also give it a polished, modern look. Then, focus on functionality. Consider the practical aspects of your design, adding pockets, zippers, or drawstring closures can increase the utility of the bag. For larger totes, consider adding a front base, a lining to help the bag maintain its shape and carry heavier items. Then play with colors and patterns. While neutral colors are classic and versatile, don't shy away from different hues or bold patterns. Combining different colors in granny squares or using ombre effects can make your bag stand out. Patterns like sequins, stripes, or floral motifs can add a unique flair to your creations. Then, enhance with embellishments. Crocheted flowers, strings, tassels, or even beads can be used to decorate your bag. These embellishments add a personal touch and can transform a simple design into something eye-catching and special. Stay on trend. Keep an eye on current fashion trends, like the use of oversized bags, bohemian styles, and minimalist designs. Incorporating these trends into your crochet bags can make them more appealing and relevant. By combining these tips with your creativity, you can craft crochet handbags that are both style and functional, creating two modern tastes while showcasing your unique crafting skills. Use multifunctional designs. Create bags can serve multiple purposes, such as a toting that can also be folded into clothes. This versatility adds value and makes the bag more appealing to different users. Consider the seasons. Think about the season when designing your crochet handbags. Use lighter, breathable yarns like cotton or linen for summer bags and opt for wool or acrylic blends for winter bags to add warmth and texture. Bright colors work well for spring and summer, while muted tones are more suited to fall and winter. add dimensions to your bags, making them more visually appealing. Mixing textures like combining a small single crochet with raised cables can create a striking contrast. Lining and reinforcement. For a professional finish, line your bags with fabric. This not only strengthens the bag but also helps it maintain its shape. Choose a fabric that complements the yarn color and patterns. You can also reinforce the base of the bag with a bit of sturdy material like leather or cardboard. Sustainable crafting. Consider using eco-friendly yarns made from recycled or organic materials. This appeals to environmentally conscious consumers and adds an ethical dimension to your products. Yarn made from recycled t-shirts or other upcycled materials can also create unique chunky textures that stand out. Personalization options. Offer customization service where customers can choose the color, size, or type for embellishments for their bag. Personalized patches like monograms or custom patches can make your creations even more special. Stay organized with modular designs. Use modular designs techniques like creating individual squares or motifs that can be joined together in different configurations. This allows you to easily modify designs or create matching sets. Learn more high fashion. Study high fashion crochet trends on the runway to get inspiration. Look for how designers are incorporating crochet into their collections and think about how you can adapt these ideas into your own handbag designs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!